Breaking news, guys, a pre-sale alert of Survivor Queen we have for you today. Why it's important to participate in this pre-sale? What if $100 today could turn into 10x after launch? So guys, it's possible. People ignored BTC in early days. Are you about to make the same mistake? Our today queen, Survivor Queen, is in built by survivors for survivors. Real utility, real passive income, real impact. Join on pre-sale by clicking here. Buy on Uniswap. After activate after pre-sale, you can buy it on Uniswap, and then you can see their contract information. Survivor Queen SURVC, real tokenomics, 100% transparency, built for trust. A community driven digital asset designed with honesty, fairness, and long term sustainability at its core. SURVC is a fully verified on Etherscan, ordered by Solid Proof, and engineered with real mathematics, not hype, to protect its investor and reward long term holders. Why it's important? The number one is 4% reflection. Number two is fixed supply, strictly applied, no minting, no inflation. Number three is 70% locked, 70% for pre-sale funded directly to liquidate and locked verified holder. Number four is not hidden mechanism, no minting functions, and absolutely no black backdoor. Number five is advanced protection, built-in anti-bot, anti-sniper, clock cooldown, and max wallet safeguard. Number six is transparency allocation, fully transparency team allocation with strict vesting schedules. Number seven is audit and verified. Comprehensive KYC and smart contract audit completed by Solid Proof. A token built for real growth. SURVC launches on Uniswap with deep liquidity and verified contract, followed by strategic CEX listing to expand volume, visibility, and long-term value. Our mission is simple: reward holders, protect investors, and build a legacy project with a real utility and real transparency. Survivor Queen 5 round pre-sale, ROI up to 15x for real buyers, and 4% reflection built for resilience and trust. Real ROI. Join on pre-sale by clicking here. And step 1, how you can buy it: connect your wallet, and the step 2, choose how much you want to invest. By spotted tokens, you will need to amount of ETH, gas fees, USDT to buy SURVC. And step 3, this is the step 2, and the step 3 is approve USDT in your wallet to the pre-sale contract can process your purchase. And step 4, buy SURVC, confirm the transaction to buy SURVC. And step 5 is after the pre-sale and return to the site and claim your SURVC tokens. So that is the 5 step that you need to complete, and that is 5 step, guys, that you need to complete. And the next is pre-sale parameters. So accepted token is USDC ERC20, and network is Ethereum. Pre-sale live, and below you can see token contract. So this is the token contract. And then restoring trust and real opportunity cycle. So this is information, and below we have their Survivor Queen, why it's important, and it's decentralized security. And then we have smart contract, community driven token, transparency, tokenomics. Below we have the important chart: supply allocation. Pre-sale is 29%, team locked is 10%, marketing reserves is 15%, development is 5%, and then we have liquidity is 40%. So that is allocation. And then again we have pre-sale parameters. Below we have community members, daily active users, and then we have their social handles. You can join them Telegram, on Instagram, website, and KYC order you can also see here. Below you can see their different handles and information. So now with the important points, we are going to tell you that how you can buy it. For that you need to go to the front page. On the front page you will have a participate in join on pre-sale gem. So just simply click on that join pre-sale on Gempad. By clicking that, you will have a Gempad page where you can buy it by connecting your wallet. Let's suppose if you are buying 100 USDT, SURVC
कुछ
token by
लोग इतने
putting connecting your
मनहूस
wallet.
होते
You
हैं,
will
जब
putting
कभी भी
amount.
किसी भी
You will
चीज़ का नाम
have
लेते
this
हैं वो
by
उल्टी हो जाती है।
SURVC option
ये
here.
दो
After
इंडियन
connecting
है,
your
एक
wallet,
लड़की है
simply
और एक
click on
लड़का
that
है।
by
ऐनक लगाता है,
SURVC
इंडियन लड़का है।
tokens. You
उसने
can
बोला
easily buy
2025
it
में बोलना
when you
रहेगा,
connect
बल्कि
your
बोलना
wallet
उनका
and
बीज
putting
निकल
your
गया
amount.
और पीछे
So below you
लेके
can
चला गया।
see
और एक आंटी हैं
their
हमारी थोड़ी
estimated
सी हेल्दी हैं,
different handles. You
आपको
can
पता है
see
उनका
their
डॉक्टर भी
jam
थोड़ा हेल्दी
pads,
है, टेंशन नहीं
and
लेनी, लेकिन वो आंटी
apart
हेल्दी है थोड़ी सी,
from
वो
this
भी
you can
बड़ी
see
माशाल्लाह
estimated
मनहूस है। उन्होंने
launch
भी बुल रन कहा था,
days.
उनका
You
भी
can
बुल
see
रन भाग
here.
गया और 2 दिन पहले उन्होंने टाओ
Then
कॉइन
we
को
have
एस टायर में
their
डाला, टॉप
initial
नॉच,
price. You
कमाल
can
का
see here
ब्लॉकचेन,
apart
कमाल का
from initial
कॉइन। और
price.
ऐसी
After
माशाल्लाह
launch you
मनहूस
can
जुबान से
after
उन्होंने
launch
अपना
price you
वर्ड
can
निकाला
see
है
here
कि ताऊ
each and
साहब की
everything you
टीम जो
can
सी है
see
वो उनके अंदर
on
प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं,
information on
ऑनर्स के साथ इशू चल रहे
Jampad
हैं और
page.
ताऊ जो
So
सा
that
है
is how
अच्छा
you
खासा
can buy
बिग
it
हो
in
चुका हुआ है,
pre-sale sections.
350 की प्राइस पे था,
So
अब रुलता
you
पुलता
can see
250
minimum
की
buying
प्राइस
is
पे आता हुआ
50%
नजर आ
and
रहा है।
maximum buying
खैर, अब
1000 and
BTC को
200
देखा
USD
जाएगा तो वो तो
maximum
बड़े
buying
ज़बरदस्त
you
तरीके
can
से
do
यूं सब परफॉर्म
on